Google launched its career certificates and you all can get it for free by watching this video full. Hello friends, this is Akshay and welcomes you all on this channel of Career Edge. Google finally launched its career certificates. By getting those certificates, you are directly eligible to get any Google job, whether you are enrolled or completed your bachelor's degree or not. So friends, firstly there are some data from Google that there are many jobs are remain vacant and also salary is very high for this type of skills and jobs. So let's see the career certificates from Google. First is IT support certificate. This certificate is not a new, it is already on Coursera, but there are many certificates which are new. Data analytics certificates and project management, UX design and also an Android development certificate. This total 4 new certificates are there which is freely accessible to all by Google. But there is some conditions how you can get this for free for certificates. So if you need this certificate also from Coursera, because you all know there is a paid courses on Coursera, but if you want this courses for free, please watch this full video. So as an example, I selected one of the course of data analytics because I like data analytics, and here you can see firstly there are some datas and after that there are some details about Coursera, and here there are the qualities which is needed for data analytics. You can see here junior data analyst, associate data analyst. These are some job posts which is in demand nowadays. And here is the data analytics certificates. What you are going to learn here, it is mentioned data mining, data types and structures, and there are many things which you are going to learn in this certification program. Also there are hands-on quizzes, there are many types of activities and also some assignments are there. And here there are 3 phases of selection by Google, which if you complete this certificate, firstly you need to complete this certificate, after that you need to improve your techniques by these certificates, and after that you can just apply for any job in Google or many companies and you are directly eligible for any job without having any educational degree. And if you want to learn more about this, you just refer the frequently asked questions section. I put the link in the description. You go through it. You can see all this by going through that link. And now I am going to show how to get these certificates for free. So I just go through the Coursera platform. Here you can see I am now on Coursera platform, and this is the certificate program, a professional certificate on Google Data Analytics. And here you can see what we will going to learn, the skills and also some there are datas and why this is very beneficial for you. And also I am going to show you how many courses are there, total 7 courses I think. And you can see here foundations, data everywhere. Second is ask questions to make data driven decision. Third is prepare data exploration. Fourth is process data from dirty to clean. Next is course 5, analyze data to answer questions, share data through the art of visualization, data analysis with R programming, and the last course is course 8, Google Data Analytics Capstone. So total 8 courses are there in this professional certificate program, and if you want this certificate program, then this is paid on Coursera. But I am going to reveal the trick by which you can get this certificate, a professional certificate from Google via Coursera for free. So firstly there is an option of free trial only for 7 days, but I doesn't prefer this because you can't complete all of these courses, all of these professional certificates in only 7 days. It needs many weeks. So I am going to show you how I can do this professional certificate for free and what I am going to do. This is a financial aid process. You can see here I already made a video on this. I'm going to show you by going through my channel. This is a financial aid process. Here is my channel. You can see there are many videos educational related, and you can subscribe my channel for getting this type of videos. I already made many type of videos on Coursera and different type of courses. Finally, this is the financial aid process, and now I am going to show how to get this course for free. So here you need to put which I am putting in this video, and after that I just put a link in the description through which you can go through this site and where you just copy these answers and paste here. you need to just change one thing here where it is written artificial intelligence. You just delete it and write data analytics. The same thing you need to do in the second question and the third. And after that, this is 99% chances to get this professional certificate courses for free after answering this type of questions as I mentioned in the website. So here the second thing, this is all need to copy. This is the second question on financial aid process, and you need to copy here. And here also there is written artificial intelligence. You need to just edit it. There is artificial intelligence, you just put their data analytics. You can see here I just doing the same thing, and after putting all here there is data analytics, and this is the last. And here there is an option to pay some EMIs, but you just select no, and after that you just answer this: I don't possess a good financial condition. Just copy this, there is no need to edit. Go and paste this, and you got this certificate now for free after 15 days. It's 99% chances to get a mail from Coursera, and you finally can access all the steps of this professional certificate for free, and you also get a free certificate from Coursera. I already used this type of tricks and this type of things for getting many Coursera courses, just like Google IT Professional Certificate Program. I already enrolled, and also I just answered by that website answers. So please refer that website. Just copy all the website answers which I shared to edit. Only those words you need to edit, and you got this professional certificates for free. So please share this video with your friends also, so that they also get this type of courses for free. And this is very important for all, because this is not only courses, this is our career certificate which changed the educational system which we showing nowadays. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel also.